What's up, VTG team? So I have created a new game. We're done with the wheel. The wheel is now going to be our X. What's going to be my X? I hope you guys enjoy it. So I have this gun, and you can load the balls at the top. And I think you can put like 5 balls in it total. Excuse my luggage, I'm packed for Merlefest. So this is a slingshot. So you hold it here and you just shoot. So this is the rules. I'll get a zoom up on this. Vacation giveaways. So you get 2 shots, and whatever number you hit on the target, you add up those 2 numbers, and that's what they get. So if you look at the picture, 1 to 10 score gets you 3 nights, 4 days. 11 to 20 score, 3 nights, 4 days, and the condo cruise option. 21 to 30 gets you 3 nights, 4 days, condo cruise, and premium ticks. 31 to 40, which is the biggest, if you hit the 20 twice, will get you all of the above, $150 Visa gift card. Or if you hit the bullseye, it's the same exact scenario. So must pay taxes. It's clearly on there. So I hope y'all like it. This is the rules. I'm going to have this on like a poster, like a frame. I'm going to have it on the booth so they can see the rules. The target, I'm going to have that on an easel. So you can show where the target will show up. I'm going to give y'all an example of how the game is played. It's very simple. You pull, and I'm aiming for the target. Boom. 15. Shot in. 4. So at this point, you do 15 plus 4. If you look at the rules, what does that get me? 15 plus 4 is 19. So I am in between 11 and 20, which gives me 4 days, 3 nights, and the condo cruise option. Let's do this again. Show y'all it works. 10. 16. So it's not easy. You can aim as much as you want to, but it's all about chance. I hope you guys like it. My daughter's videoing. Her name is Hannah. Say hey, Hannah.
Hi, hi.
So, guys, this is really cool. The best part is it is very, very easy to maneuver. It has a little string at the top, but when you're done, you fold, wrap, and I haven't completely got this yet, but it's like this. You put this, and then you tuck it, and sorry, I'm almost there. It's fold, twist in, tuck it, dig it, and then it collapses really easy. You just stick it in your luggage, boom, you're gone. No weight requirements, no heavy lifting, nothing. You should go through TSA just fine with no problems. No having to lug this thing around. This is a really good idea. I hope you guys love it. Peace.